Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. It's a beautiful but rainy Monday. Medyo gloomy but anyway, masaya pa rin tayo. So folks, I hope all our leaders, I hope all our members are fine despite the rain. So I'm doing this recorded video para sa tingin ko makakatulong doon sa mga mahihina ang connection kasi talaga ang problema natin sa Pilipinas dito is connectivity. Kahit na kailangan mamayagpag or kahit na I would say na mamayagpag ang Zoom, na mamayagpag ang social media, which is already integrated sa ating negosyo as network marketers, meron pa rin tayong problema talaga, connectivity. So medyo nakaka-frustrate. So nag-isip ako ng ano kayo magandang tool or paraan para ma-overcome tong problem na to. Kung hindi po kayo nakakapag-attend sa real-time live training natin, which is napakaganda sana, napaka-inspiring. So anong pwede ko gawin? Bukod sa hinihimay ko yung training at ina-upload ko sa video, siguro itong gagawin ko is a presentation of our health and wealth, no? You can have your clear books, maganda po yan. So we already provided our clear book sa mga core leaders natin. So please, dun sa mga ibang leaders or members na gusto magkaroon ng clear book, pwede ba nyo i-duplicate na lang? Kasi we really cannot afford to give every copy to each and everyone lang na pag lumalaki tayo. So please use your clear book kung sakasakaling wala kayong laptop or naka-offline kayo. Ito po makakatulong para naman mapresentahan nyo, mailatag nyo dun sa mga customer nyo or dun sa mga prospects nyo to join our team of builders. No? Okay po yan. Kung hindi naman, kung nasa bahay kayo at may connection naman kayo, and gusto nyo mag-reach out sa mga clients nyo, sa mga customers nyo, sa mga prospects nyo na gusto mag-join sa grupo nyo, siyempre you can use this, no? I-upload ko rin to sa YouTube para pwede nyong balikan every now and then. And at the same time, i-offer natin sa ating mga prospects, no? So this is going to be, very short. I wanted to make short but clear. So I'll deal with the health muna. So sana by this time, lahat ng mga members natin who've been with us for the past 2, 3, 4 weeks na, I hope you're getting the hang of it, nakakabisado nyo na kahit papano yung ating 7 flagship products, no? And who is NanoSci? Who is NanoCell? Sino yung mga tao behind? So this is just a recap po of all the things na mini-mention natin from time and again. But I guess this is a tool, an online tool na pwede nyo gamitin. So let me start with health, no? So sino po ang mga tao behind NanoCell? NanoCell kasi was established in late of 2024. Pero in January of 2025 siya linaunch. In-open up sa mga 001 members. So isa dun sa mga 001 members, si Sir Nico, doon po tayo nakakabit. So malapit po tayo sa kalan at this point in time. Kayo mga existing leaders ngayon, kayo yung mga first, second, third generation. Kasi right now, we are now reaching the 4th generation in terms of growth. Meron na kami nakikitang first, second, third, and nasa 4th generation na po ang ating membership. Ganon din po ang mangyayari sa inyo. Ibig sabihin, at this point in time, malapit pa tayo sa kalan. We still have time for everyone as we build our group. And sa ganon, kayo on your part, magiging busy din kayo because you're building your groups. Okay, but NanoCell, going back, NanoCell is backed by a team of professionals. And of course, kilala na natin si Sir Dennis, the President, Sir Dennis Sejares, and our Chief Operating Officer, si Mrs. Connie Mirasol. Okay? Matindi po itong dalawa. We've met them, we spoke to them, we ate with them face to face. Nakita namin yung mission and vision nila. Nakita namin yung ambition nila for this part of the country, North Luzon. Okay? Maswerte tayo at na-meet natin sila. Of course, kasama dyan yung kanilang technical director, si Sir Lem, na papunta na ng Africa kasi our African office or our African partner is already joining us, particularly Nigeria. Okay? And of course, we have our IT head and compensation plan specialist, si Sir Allen. Na-meet po natin sila lahat, including yung mga back office staff nila, nakakausap namin everyday. Kasama na po dyan yung 27-year veteran sa networking, Coach Bong Mangas, who's been with us for the past 2 months, online, offline. So, kompleto recados po. Okay? So, ito po yung ating NanoCell and the team. Now, ano po ang mission? The mission is to offer affordable health supplements sa mga barangay sa ating community dito sa Pilipinas. Lalo na dito sa Norte, kasi nandito tayo sa Norte, alam natin masyadong mahal ang vitamins sa merkado, lalo na yung mga foreign brands, di ba? Alam din natin na may mga mura, no, na supplements sa pharmacy, sa merkado, pero tignan nyo naman yung quality, no, masyadong mababaw. You will find out, if you don't know yet, na yung ingredients ng ating 7 flagship products, matindi, science-based, formulated by our chief formulator, no other than Dr. Sheila Tiru, backed up by a team of doctors, specialists, okay? And at affordable prices. So, saan ka pa, no? Now, what is the vision? Para matulungan ang mga communities natin, ang mga barangay constituents natin to have a better life. Kasi nga, ang cellular based supplements nandito na sa atin. Nung araw, during my time, food supplements were just food supplements because of science, because of research, because of advancement, because of progress. Nag-evolve na po ang ating food supplements into cellular level. And at the same time, ang vision ng company is matulungan tulad tayo, mapabago ang buhay natin, magkaroon tayo ng sufficient wealth para masustain natin yung aking good wealth. So, health is wealth. Nakakapagbago ng buhay, na-improve yung quality of life, nagiging more comfortable sa buhay, and so on and so forth. Yun po ang mission and vision ng NanoCell para sa atin. Okay? Now, so we have NanoCell. It offers a revolution in wellness and opportunity. Of course, yung kanilang shout-out or yung ating shout-out, we live by our promise to live life in full bloom. So, ang commitment natin sa bawat leaders, sa bawat members of each leader nandoon. Nagtatrabaho po kami pataas, mula ilalim pataas. Okay? We're not doing this for ourselves, but we're doing this for everyone because we have to. We want to help every member of our team. Okay? Of course, let me just refresh your minds. NanoSci is actually a manufacturer of nutritional grade food supplements dito sa Pilipinas since 2007. Specifically, nasa Subic, Zambales sila. It has its own spirulina farm, hectares of spirulina farm. Okay, NanoSci actually is compliant, no? Meron siyang FDA compliance, meron siyang GMP, Good Manufacturing Practices compliant, meron siyang HACCP, Food Safety compliant, meron siyang ISO certification. So, tanungin niyo ulit sarili niyo, sino ang direct selling or multi-level marketing company dito sa Pilipinas na may sariling ganitong kabigat, ganitong ka-established na manufacturing firm dito sa Pilipinas? I guess wala po. Kung meron man, I suppose it doesn't level up sa ating existing manufacturer, which NanoCell is part of it. Nakasandal po tayo sa pader dahil ang gumawa mo dito, ang CEO po natin dito is si Dr. Sheila Tiru, and helped by a team of doctors. So, science-based po ang ating products. Ano po? Then, okay, nabanggit ko yan. We have all the certifications and protocols in place. Okay? To have an ISO certification cost a lot. Hindi po mura yan. So, at saka maraming proseso yan. So, ino-audit po sila na mabuti ng ISO. So, we are expert-driven. We don't just make any claims against our product kung wala tayong backing from doctors. No? So, we have Dr. Sheila Tiru. She's a cell biologist, a biotechnologist, a gerontologist, and an expert in functional medicine. We have Dr. Ron, who specializes in pathology and live blood analysis. We have Dr. Romy Devilla, nutritional oncology and biotechnology expert. We have Dr. Kat, who is specializing in the dermatology and anti-aging. And of course, yung ating recent doctor ngayon who just joined us, si Dr. Ariel Bayra, na nakikita natin or naririnig natin sa Zoom meeting natin every week. So, kompleto po ang ating medical team. So, we are expert-driven company. No? So, this is now the health solution. Ito po will present to you a basic idea of each of our 7 flagship products. So, ulitin ko flagship. Kasi meron mga companies ngayon sa merkado, mga direct selling companies na namamayagpag lang sa isang flagship product. Pero sa atin po, we have 7 flagship product. So, nakikita nyo po yung strength ng ating product. Okay? So, alam natin to sa ating environment ngayon, sa ating the food that we eat, the air that we breathe, the water that we drink, sa workplace, everywhere we go, we're full of toxins. No? So, nasa katawan natin yan. Kaya naman, marami nagkakasakit. Alright? So, ano po solution dyan? Ang solution po dyan is cellular level approach. Ibig sabihin, yung ating supplements are already on a higher level which is addressing our cells already. So, tinutulungan nyo po ang ating cells because we are made up of what? Trillions of cells. Our tissues are made up of cells. Our organs are made up of tissues. So, pero pag meron po hindi nagfa-function dyan na organ, doon po nag-umpisa ang ating mga sakit. So, sa ating program, sa ating health, 3 parts po yan. We have re-release 1, okay, we have reload 2, and then we have renew 3. 3 parts po yan. Akala ko kasi nung araw, basta may vitamins ka, okay na. No po. So first, kailangan po natin sundan itong protocol kahit papano. Pag sinabi kasing release 1, we take certain supplements that will help detoxify our body. Okay? Pag sinabing reload 2, we take certain products from NanoCell that will help bring in the nutrients na kailangan ng ating katawan, the enzymes and the antioxidants, habang pong nagre-release tayo or habang nagre-release tayo ng toxins sa ating katawan. Pagdating po ng renew, meron po tayong targeted products that will help us, in our anti-aging process kasi lahat po tayo pupunta sa pagkakatanda. Lahat po tayo tumatanda. Ang health span ng tao, ibig sabihin, pag healthy ka, is up to 63 years old. Pag nagkasakit ka before 63, malas mo. Pero pagka healthy ka at 63, buenas ka, most probably inalagaan mo yung sarili mo. Pero it takes discipline to take care of ourselves. Minsan nakakawala pa, di ba? Ang lifespan ng tao ngayon, pababa ng pababa. Nagiging at 8 years old na lang. So you can see the trend, no? So let's start with release 1. We have certain products, targeted products that will help detoxify our organs in our body. So, first we have this, Nutrients Detox. Okay? Look at the ingredients, folks. One of them is barley grass. Sa ibang company, they have, by the way, napansin nyo ba na halos lahat ng mga companies ngayon, namamayagpag sa barley. Barley dito, barley there, nag-aaway tungkol sa barley. But our product, Nucleance Detox, has one component, which is the barley grass, and with other 1, 2, 3, 4 products as you see. So, ang effect po sa amin ito, hindi bagsak ang aming movement. Hindi kami tumatakbo sa CR or sa washroom para magbawas at nakakatakot pati pag bagsak, nakaka-alarm. With our Nucleance Detox, very smooth po ang ating detoxification process and very smooth ang pag-upo nyo sa banyo. Okay? So, you take the 21 detox challenge, the 21-day detox challenge. I challenge you, okay, for this. Mag 21 days tayo. It's very convenient to use. Okay? You start with this as part of your detox. Number 2, we have another product which helps detoxify our liver. Pag ang liver healthy, that means it brings out the toxification in our liver and it brings out the glow. So yung pagiging radiant and being glow and showing that the glow kayo, good skin, is just a result of the detoxification of your liver. Because sa body po natin, meron na tayong glutathione. All it does is it reactivates yung ating glutathione so we become healthier. So that is the second product under detoxification. Our third product is this one, okay? Carbacrol. Okay? So by the way, I challenge you to take the 45 days to Radiance kasi kami, we're doing this for more than a month na. We take this in the evening kasi ang effect dito sa amin is masarap ang tulog. So the third one is the Carbacrol. Paborito ko to. Kasi I take this pag ako namamanas, nagkakaroon ng sore throat, sinisipon, inuubo. I don't take cold tablets anymore. Pagka meron kang virus sa katawan, this helps you protect you from that certain virus, including gastric, nagpupoops and all. Paborito ko po ito. It's made of oregano blend or oregano product. So, it clears our respiratory system. Kaya masabi ko, good to for colds, no? So, I mentioned 3 products under the detox or the first part, which is the release. Punta po tayo sa reload. Okay? Pag nagre-reload na tayo, that means we're taking certain nutrients, okay, para natin pinapakain yung ating katawan aside from the food that we eat. No? Kasi kulang po ang nutrition ngayon sa ating pagkain. Ito po, paborito ko. Spirulina. Okay? Nanosci has its own spirulina farm. Napakaganda po ng ating spirulina kasi ako mismo, I take 12 tablets every day. 4 in the morning, 4 in the lunchtime, and 4 before 4 o'clock. Feeling ko, energized ako masyado. Feeling ko, hindi ako inaantok pag nagda-drive ako. Feeling ko, hindi ako masyado matao kasi parang pagkain ko na to no? So, I highly recommend this, no? Na araw-araw dapat meron kayo nito. Right? Best po yan. Now, we have vitamin C. And not just an ordinary vitamin C because as you can see, our vitamin C is made from the camu-camu berry. You do your research. Ano po yung potency ng camu-camu berry? Very gentle on the stomach, chewable, good for kids, and good for adults. We take this. Ako, I take 3 tablets at a time. Sinucho ko lang. Tapos, I take 3 in the afternoon and I take 3 in the evening. So, your body has to have that level of vitamin C. Okay? Now, what else? Meron tayong berry orac. Okay? Paborito ko to. Sublingual siya, powdered form, under your tongue. Okay? The finest of the finest, no? In terms of berries, no? Nakikita nyo? Very potent siya. Paborito to ng mga taong suffering from neurological disorder. Maganda to dun sa mga taong may arthritis tulad ko. It's good for the pain. It's good for the brain. It's good to fight cancer, and it has mangosteen, acai berry, resveratrol, which is good for the heart. So this is one of my favorite, no? And I recommend this, to everyone na dapat magkaroon kayo nito. Okay? So we have the two chapters na didiscuss ko. We have the release, we have the reload. Ito naman yung renew, no? Ito naman, to sustain your well-being habang nagkakaedad tayo. Okay? As we know, pag nagkakaedad, bumababa ang metabolism, kaya yung mga nagkakaedad, nagkakaroon ng sugar issues. Dito po pumapasok ang berberine. It is very good. It originated from China. I take this one in the morning, one in the evening. So nakikita nyo po yung ingredients. You do your due diligence, mag-research kayo. You will find out, nakikita nyo, may turmeric pa, di ba? So you will find out how potent, how good berberine is, no? Okay, so that's it. So this is good to cure people with, nakikita nyo, for PCOS and people having some sugar problems, no? Sa mga diabetics, for example. Right. Alam natin, lahat tayo tatanda. Walang hindi tumatanda unless you're immortal. Ito po ang 9 hallmarks of aging. Ito po ang mangyayari sa atin as we age. One of them is number 8, stem cell exhaustion. Ibig sabihin, yung ating cells sa katawan are already bad, mahina ng replacement, kaya tayo nanghihina, kaya tayo nagkakasakit. No? So, ibig sabihin, ito po ang direksyon ng ating buhay as we age. But with Ultima Stem Plus, it's an activator that helps to replace, repair, rejuvenate your bad cells. Kasi pag masyado tayong maraming bad cells sa katawan, kumpul-kumpul siya, nagme-mestasize, nagiging tumor, nagiging cancer. So, Ultima Stem Plus is basically a stem plus activator. It is not a source of stem cell because the only source of stem cell is coming from the human. So with Ultima Stem Plus, we have a certain unique ingredient which is called NMN because it is a powerful ingredient that helps or slows down the process of aging. We take this 30 minutes before breakfast and 1 hour after our dinner twice. So we've been taking this for a month. This is our second month and nafe-feel ko na yung effect. I don't feel weak pag gising ko na umaga. I feel energized. I feel strong. So I suggest po, you do this religiously. Okay? And this will support your overall health. Okay? So yan po yan. Alright? So these are the benefits. We have one of the best, if not the strongest berry in Stem Plus, which is called the Aronia melanocarpa. You can do your research. You will find out that this is a powerful type of berry. So this helps you fight harmful free radicals that is around us. Nakakatulong po sa stress. It helps prevent cancers from forming in our body. It reduces the energy in the cancer cells. Kinakain niya yung mga cancer cells. It stops cancers from spreading all over our body. It blocks the growth of cancers. Nakaka-distract po ng communication between the cancer cells na magkumpul-kumpulan. It eliminates or replaces your bad cells, and it has ways to prevent or fight cancer. This is very good, and I suggest this to everyone. Okay, lalong-lalo na yung mga medyo nagkakaedad na. We have testimonials actually. We have testimonials for different products. Spirulina, Bloom Gluta. We have, okay, berberine. We will update this. No? Maglalagay tayo ng more testimonies para makita nyo how our product works. Okay? Marami po yan. But anyway, I thank you. I'll do the next part, the wealth part. Hihimayin ko and I will present to you in another segment. So, marami po salamat. I hope you can use this as your tool, okay, and your reference for upgrading or, ma-upgrade natin yung level natin sa pagdating sa product knowledge. Okay po, and good day to all of you and God bless.